How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, now all what you wanna do is very simple. Just scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. And now click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the options right here. Go back and click on the power usage details. Click on the app launch. And now all what you want to do next is make sure to enable all these options and click OK. And then go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.